Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Nice to see you back if you're here from before. If not, your first time, well, this is going to be a bit different from anything I've done before. If you are here for the first time, don't forget, if you like what I do, like, subscribe and bang that bell button so you find out when I'm doing the next things. Anyway, today is a little bit different. Let's say it's coming up to Christmas and I decided to get onto Amazon and do myself a wee bit of Christmas shopping for myself. This is something that I've wanted for a while. It's basically for to get on with some projects that I have in my planning. So anyway, I'm going to start with the first one, which is quite a big box. This is from Amazon. I'm just going to open it up here. Yeah, you can't see it, it's off camera. Oh, what a shame. I'll show you in a second what it is. This is quite a big box, quite heavy. I don't want to show it on camera, me opening it, because it's Amazon don't like you having knives on the channel. Oh, there they are. Can you guess what that is? Can you guess what that is, Youde?
No way.
Okay, there's two of them. I got these off of Amazon for a little project I plan on doing. I'm going to be doing quite a bit. Well, you can kind of see what happens with them. They're metallic and they're for holding metal. Don't like knives on Amazon. They're for holding metal in place while you weld them. So you have right angles, you have 45 degrees, you have 75, you have 95, there's all sorts of degrees on these. And I've always wanted them. I've always played about with vice grips and lumps of metal fastened to things just to hold it into place. Anyway, I will show you these working when I'm using them, if that's going to be in another video. They was actually very, very good price. They were only 20 euros, 19.99 for the pair. And yeah, I say they're very good. I will put a link below for all the stuff that I'm opening today in case you get interested in it. Next one I'm going to open is this one. Now this one is very, very heavy. Now, this is just like Christmas, only better because I actually know what it is and I really want these. Normally Christmas you get something that you go, oh, that's really nice, oh, what the hell am I going to do with that? Anyway, this is things that I need for the projects that I'm doing. Now this is, that's it, it's very, very heavy. Oh, and they're nicely wrapped. Ugh. God, can I lift it? Right, this comes with extras. Hey, just as well, because I need them. And very, very heavy, very well wrapped. Can you guess what it is yet? Here's one I made earlier. Can you guess what it is, Youde?
Some hydraulic system.
That is exactly what it is. That's a hydraulic block that you put hydraulic in, and these things here go in here, and you can control up and down. This is for a little project I have in mind. That it's not such a little project, and my wife's kind of thinking I've lost it. But anyway, that's going to come in very, very handy for what I need it for. And that, again, that's a 6-valve controller. You can get 4-valve, 2-valve, 1-valve. It's very hard to get a 6-valve controller, and there was only 4 of them left when I bought that. It's a 6-spool hydraulic valve, and that was $149.99. But don't tell my wife; she already thinks I'm mad. Right, next. Ta-da. Nice little light one. I don't know what's in this one, to be honest. I've forgotten. How do you open it? Yeah. You don't need knives for most Amazon packages. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Oh. Okay. I know what that is. If I can get into it. Or I think I know what it is. I should do because I ordered it. Yes, it's exactly what I thought it was. This is a three. This is a card reader. That you can put all the put the wrong side, all the different cards into, all the different types, and it's a USB 3. I do have one. No, this is USB 3. I do have one. It's a USB 2, and half of the SIM cards that I have, it just either won't read them or decides that it wants to take forever. But this is USB 3, and it takes all the cards straight into it. You don't need an adapter with it. And if I hang it somewhere, hopefully I shouldn't lose it. That I've been waiting on because I've got some old phones that I've took their memory cards out of. And when I try to read them on the computer, it just laughs at me. So I'm going off back now. I'm going to try this, and if it's any good at all, I will let you know, and I'll put a link in the bottom. Next, this is a good one. How do we get into this one? My dog is having me fun in the background. Never mind. He's always having fun. First off, a little box. Comes all the way from China via Amazon. Oh yes, I know what this is. Voltmeter. Now, if you can see, that actually is a, I'm not sure if it's going to focus. This is a voltmeter that goes up to 250 volts. It's supposed to be a voltmeter that goes up to 250 volts, and this one goes up to 100. So they've given me the wrong one on this. I wanted one that goes up to 250 volts because of a little plan that I have for making a hot wire cutter for styrofoam. I've got a friend who's going to need quite a bit of styrofoam cutting shortly, and I was originally going to make it with a 24 volt transformer, but because I want it to be a long one, I'm not sure 24 volts is going to be enough to heat the element. So I'm going to do it with a 24 volt with a step down reducer, 240 volts I should say. Now, as I'm saying that, I've just found the reducer. That's the reducer that you can put 240 volts into, and you can take down to basically zero volts, and then in every step in between. But because I'm doing it on 240 volts, I wanted to be able to tell exactly what voltage I'm putting in. But as I won't be ever putting 240 volts in, that shouldn't really matter, because 100 volts should be plenty. That was the original one I was going to use. I bought this one afterwards. This is the one that's 24 volts. This one here is the one that's 240 volts in stages. If you want to actually know more about this one, Big Clive does a very good teardown of this on his website. It's a motor controller, but if it controls a motor, I'm sure it can control this stuff, which is the wire that you put in for cutting the styrofoam. The other thing you have to be a wee bit careful with Amazon, because you can't actually see the products. All you see is a little picture, and you're hoping it's actually what you're looking for. I needed some springs to take the tension for when the wire heats up, so I bought a little box of springs off of Amazon, and that's what it is a little box of little tiny springs. I didn't actually know that. I expected them to be a little bit more substantial, but to be honest, it'll be fine. I'll be able to use them. So I've now got everything I need to get on with building the cutter, and I'll probably give you a video of how I'm making it and what I'm doing with it and how it's going to work. So keep in touch. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Then you'll know when I put another video up. So that's all for this one, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye.